Today I'm diving into the top 5 meals to eat after your workout to not only refuel your body, but also to maximize your weight loss efforts. Stay tuned till the end for some bonus tips and a special link just for you. First up, let's talk about the power of protein. After a good workout, your muscles are like sponges. They're ready to absorb nutrients. A grilled chicken salad is perfect. It's packed with lean protein which helps repair those muscles. Add some leafy greens like spinach or kale, toss in a few cherry tomatoes, and drizzle with a touch of olive oil and vinegar for that extra kick of flavor. Next, let's blend it up with a smoothie. But not just any smoothie, a protein-packed smoothie. Combine your favorite berries, a scoop of protein powder, a handful of oats for that much-needed fiber, and a splash of almond milk. It's delicious, nutritious, and super easy to make. Third on our list is the classic omelette. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients. Mix in some veggies like bell peppers and mushrooms for an extra nutrient boost. It's a wholesome meal that satisfies those post-workout hunger pangs and keeps you feeling full longer. Moving on, why not try a quinoa and black bean bowl? Quinoa is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. Top it with black beans, some avocado for healthy fats, and a squeeze of lime for a tangy twist. It's not only filling but also aids in muscle recovery and weight loss. Last but definitely not least, salmon with sweet potato. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for inflammation that might occur after intense workouts. Pair it with a baked sweet potato, which offers a healthy dose of complex carbs needed to restore your energy levels. So there you have it, 5 delicious nutrient-packed meals to help you refuel effectively after your workout and help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, eating right is just as important as working out. Now, if you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe with us. Click the link below to get started and learn more. Together, let's make your fitness journey a success.